Here we find ourselves today at the Donnelly Group Volkswagen in Campsie. We're just putting a set of parking sensors on the red Volkswagen Polo. We'll just let you have a wee look at the sensors we put in the back of it. As you can see, they're colour coded to match the car. All four sensors in parallel with each other. Just give you an idea what goes on whenever you pop it under reverse. As we see, just putting her into reverse, you hear the beep, and as we go back, single beep, double beeps, and stop. Now we'll just go and see how far we are away from the, happens to be a post. 12 inches, solid beep. Keep your car safe. If this is something that you would like, please contact us at Connect Mobile Solutions, Belfast or Mahara.